like being a model, you know?
Ciao a tutti amici, eccoci qua di nuovo da Los Angeles, questa sera sulla Sunset Boulevard, la culla del rock and roll del mondo praticamente.
Ciao amici!
E questa sera dove siamo?
Questa sera siamo sulla Sunset perché la nostra ricerca del chitarrista continua. Sì o no?
Siamo esattamente davanti al Viper Room e c'è il nostro amico Leo che ci aspetta, ragazzi. Hi Leo, what's up?
What's up?
Are you okay?
Yeah, I'm good.
Hi Leo.
My name is Leo. I'm from Singapore. I came here from Singapore to study music. I play the guitar. After studying about a year and a half, I decided to do audio engineering. So that's kind of part of who I am. I do producing, I do engineering, I do guitar. I play around with a lot of singer-songwriters, so like today I'm going to be playing at the Viper. Other days I'll be playing acoustic or just doing sessions for people. My favorite people will be more instrumentalists like John Scofield, Pat Metheny. I do love bands too. I play for a lot of singer-songwriters, so I played like down the street, at least in a few places. Tonight I'm playing for this singer-songwriter called Junior. Junior, right? He does pretty cool mixture of pop and EDM, and he likes to dance, so he kind of incorporates it into his performance. I've checked out the music and I think it's really cool. It's definitely not my language. It was a bit difficult at first because everything was in Italian. I think as a guitar player, we just have to go in, support the band, and just rock out and have fun because I think that's what the whole thing is about.
Want to say hi to our friends back in Italy?
Hi Italy, this is Leo. Let's all go to the Viper Room and check it out.
Wow!
Vado dentro da Queen e non chiede più niente. Te sei uno come me, te sei come se sente.
Questa sera siamo qui in Hollywood!
Hollywood in diretta, amici. Allora,
Pazzesco.
praticamente siamo venuti a vedere un po' di gruppi che suonano. Abbiamo altri nuovi concorrenti potenziali che possono partecipare alla nostra trasmissione. Abbiamo qui dietro di noi.
Puntine, amore!
Hai sentito che roba? Abbiamo
Dietro
qui
di noi una roba pazzesca, ragazzi!
un nuovo concorrente, anzi
Allucinante.
una nuova concorrente.
Ma stai scherzando?
Sì, lei è Jen.
Ciao, Italia. Hi, I'm Jen. I play guitar and sing in a band called the Bomb Pops.
Balls, balls, and titties. Titties, titties, balls, balls, and titties.
I'm from San Diego, California. Living in Los Angeles now. Been playing in this band for maybe 8 years or so. Been playing guitar for a long time. Grew up on punk rock, pop punk bands, Fat Records, Epitaph bands, Descendants, Lagwagon, No Use for a Name, Newfound Glory, the Ataris, Blink-182, Green Day, all that stuff. Skate punk, Pennywise, and Bad Religion. My dad played guitar, so there's always a guitar growing up. But I think the same exact week I picked up the guitar and started playing, was the same time I went to my first concert, was Bad Religion and Blink-182. And my mom took me, and I saw everyone on stage, and I just knew, I knew without a doubt, that's what I was gonna do. No questions, I'm gonna play guitar in a band, I'm gonna be on stage, And so the saying goes, punk rock ruined my life. But I love it. So ever since then, I just knew I was going to be on stage, play guitar, and I played with my band. We've played with NoFX, Bad Religion, Descendants, No Use for a Name. We've played with TSOL, Adolescents, GBH. Yeah, so that's what we do. Just got off tour with the Swinging Utters. first heard the music, I was like immediately something that I like because it's exactly the style what I grew up on. Even though I don't understand the lyrics at all, not whatsoever, the music is bouncy, really fun, melodic, catchy, and even I don't know the lyrics, like the melody's still stuck in my head. They found me here playing with my band. Well, from what I can tell is you guys, there's like a party band, you know? Like, I don't think it's gonna be that much different as far as what I do and have fun and get up there and sing and play guitar. There's a lot of like foreign band, pop punk bands I listen to, but they sing in English. So it's different because I don't know the lyric at all. It still doesn't matter because it's just something I would automatically listen to on my own. But as far as going over there and not knowing the language or, you know, the nuances of the culture, I'm good. I'm really open to it. I'm excited about it. I think I'll just go over there, be myself, try to learn all the bad words in Italian. Maybe learn how to ask, you know, where's the bathroom?
Ok, lei è una nuova concorrente, vedremo se anche lei può fare parte dei Rumatera. Ci sono molte prove da passare
E dopo il più meglio di tutti.
verrà in tour con noi.
Ma stai scherzando?
A presto amici, ci vediamo, ciao a tutti!
Amici, al prossimo aggiornamento. Avanti!
Ciao ciao!
Evviva!
Cicina amici!
Amici, Mario! Ci porteresti un taglierello di quel grandissimo?
Grazie mille, mamma mia, guarda che bontà.
Siamo affamati. Oggi sono proprio contento. Guarda.
Sì, vero? Siamo stati anche su due belle location. Ho sentito rock and roll.
Vibe, giusto?
Cioè il Viper è un locale storico e poi lì mi piace, cioè lui è simpatico, è bravissimo.
Lo vedo compostino. No, è un po' ma magari
Con
siamo...
grinta.
E Jen, brava.
Sì, tutte le volte che vedo una cosa, sarà un problema mio, non lo so, ma...
Non possiamo prendere una ragazza in gruppo, perché no, sono troppo sensibili.
Anche a me, come che suona?
Hai visto che fa? Bellissimo,
Pazzesco!
bellissimo. No, comunque lei mi piace punk rock a manetta, cresciuta a San Diego, con la scena quella che piace a noi.
Vabbè, lei è poi brava,
Bellissimo. Tutti e due mi sembrano...
questi due personaggi quasi da approfondire.
Vero?
Anche lì io così è timidino, ma secondo me ha delle robe da dire.
Ah, rock and roll,
Vero?
All'occhio
Oh,
giusto.
bisogna estrapolarlo.
Sì, mi piace. Cin cin.
Pazzesco!
Evviva!
Evviva!